This is how to transfer USDT from Binance to another Binance account. You see, this is a common question online. I'll be showing you real demo on how you transfer using your phone, email, and your Binance Pay ID. That is your Binance user ID. Let me show you. For me to transfer this money from my Binance account to another Binance account, you come to home, you click this button here, you tap it, you come to this place, you tap send. You can see these are two fastest ways to transfer from your Binance account to another Binance account. In this menu, you can either use email or phone number. To send a transfer in USDT to another Binance account, you ask for the recipient email address or his phone number. You put it here. Or you ask for the Binance ID of your recipient. That is the person that you want to send the money to. This is my own Binance ID. The link of the video will come out here. You see how to find your Binance user ID. The person will copy it. For you to send money to another Binance account holder using Binance ID, click Binance ID. You paste the person's Binance ID to this place. For the purpose of this video, I'll be sending $20 to this Binance ID. I already pasted the Binance ID for my friend. I'll be sending him $20. So ensure that you are correct and you are sure of this number. You tap continue. I'm sending $20. Tap continue. You click confirm. Look at it, is going successful. Instantly the person will receive this money in his or her Binance account under USDT. For you to reduce your cost while sending and buying cryptos, you need to start using ATM. All you need to do is to use the link below the description of this video and you will get $3 as a sign-up bonus if you use my link. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, I will get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.